Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to enable developer mode on Chrome OS. Firstly, make sure it's fully shut down. Press and hold the escape plus refresh plus power. Then let go when the screen turns on. You'll see a recovery screen that says Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Press Ctrl plus D, the shortcut to access developer mode setup. You may be prompted with a warning. Press enter to continue. The system will transition into developer mode and reboot. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. You'll eventually see a screen saying OS verification is off. Every time you reboot, you'll see the OS verification is off screen. Just press Ctrl plus D to continue booting. You'll now have access to shell commands. You can install Linux app, enable boot access and sideload, Android APKs. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.